This is an easy but beautiful dessert that works just as well for the festive season as it does with any dinner or celebration during winter. It is essentially a pavlova built in a different way. So if you have a favorite pavlova recipe, go for that. I will go for the easiest version with only 5 ingredients. Starting with whisking 4 egg whites into a hard foam. Then add in 300 milliliters of sugar and whisk until you have stiff peaks. Gently fold in 1½ teaspoon of cornstarch. Transfer your meringue into a piping bag and start making the different layers on parchment paper, starting at the center and tapering outwards, making each one a bit smaller and finished with the top piece. Put the meringue into the oven on 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Depending on how large you have made each piece, the time may vary. Take them out and let the meringue cool completely. Up to this point you can prepare in advance. When it's time to serve, you whip up some cream and use whatever berries or fruit you want. I use blueberries that I have in the freezer from all of the berry picking we did this autumn. Then you alternate the meringue, starting with the widest one, and then add whipped cream and berries.